Let's continue with our part 2, science about friction. From the first video, I hope you at least you have little information about friction. So now I'm going to explain it deeply. So please open your book on page 66 and 67 so that we are going to learn together. Okay, so our learning objective today is by the end of this lesson, we'll be able to explore how forces, including friction, can make objects move faster, slower, or change direction. And our second learning objective is by the end of this lesson, we'll be able to suggest idea, make prediction, and communicate this. All right, so let's continue. Let's check our starter. Can we check out this wheel? I want you to find a simple word, one keyword that we are going to learn today. Just look at this word and find for me one keyword. This one keyword, we are going to find it in our word that we are going to learn today. So, word to learn. Look at this. These are the words that we are going to learn today: friction, grip, smooth, rough. Okay. Now, what is friction? What is friction? Friction is a force that acts when two objects rub together. Friction is a force that acts when two objects rub together, or when the two objects appear to be smooth, there is less friction. When the two objects are rough, there is a great amount of friction. Okay, so let's check this example of friction. Please take your two hands and I want you to rub your hands together. Rub your hands together. Rub, 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 and feel them rubbing and getting warm. So, when hands are rubbed together, friction acts between them. All right? Look at the second pictures. Do you like the spots? I really like the spots. What do you think they are doing? Okay, let's look at this one also. Look at the third picture where someone is pushing, is using a force to push. So, down there is a force of friction, and on the left is pushing force, and as you look up it is a motion. So let's look at the last picture. Friction resists rolling, push on the wheel and wheel roll forward. So please, can you open your book on page 66? Page 66. Are you there? So page 66, I want you to read. Please look at the pictures, read and understand. After that, for all explanation that I had done and from the video you have watched, you'll be able to answer these two questions. Like question number 1, when does friction act? When does friction act? We found out that when the friction acts, it's between two surfaces, and the way you rub your hands, the way you are rubbing your hands, that is a friction acting between them. Okay, question number 2. So will you be able to answer question number 2? Please write your answer there, take a photo and send to me today. So, what have you learned today? What have you learned today? You have learned that friction acts when two surfaces rub together, and the size of the friction forces depend on the two surfaces which are rubbing together. Right? Okay. Please take your time, understand. Please take the photo and send to me. Okay? Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.